Hello you guys and good morning. It is Monday morning. I'm actually gonna make some coffee. If you're new here, my name is Brittney and I'm on a weight loss journey. I'm gonna be filming, this is our old couch. We have to get rid of it this week, so we're using the top of it as storage, I guess. But anyways, grocery shop tonight. We were going to yesterday, but we ended up going to the grocery store to get food for last night's dinner. We made tater tot hot dish. It was so good, you guys. I didn't go fully grocery shopping, so that's what we're gonna do tonight. So today, I have some things I want to get done. I need to water my plants. I need to bathe Indy. A few things, so I figured we could just hang out and go about my day. So yeah, anyways, you guys, if you want to see a day in the life, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm about to make my favorite coffee, or my favorite coffee, my coffee. And look at my favorite mug is clean. It makes me so happy. Like, I should just wash it every day and use it. This guy's from Target. And I don't know what it is, but like the lip of the cup is just so soft and just so great. And then the size of it's just super good. I don't know, I really like it. It was only $5 from Target. This is the brand Threshold. I don't know, I just really like it. $5. Anyways, I'm gonna make some coffee with my favorite cup. The other day I made coffee and I didn't realize because I forgot. You know, sometimes I do forget to fill this up. But it was completely empty and it started to like error, like it said error right here, and I'm like, oh my god, like I broke it or something. But no, the water was just completely empty. You guys are literally in my spice cabinet. I wanted to take my hair, skin, and nail gummies. These are what I've been taking. I used to take Goalies a lot, but I ran out of them and I haven't repurchased them, which I don't know why I haven't, but they're super good for like your gut health and everything. They really actually, I did feel a difference when I was eating them daily, regularly, even like my digestion and everything. But these are my hair, skin, and nail ones. I find them at Sam's Club, Costco, because you can get these same exact ones at Walmart, but they're like $8 for a tiny one, and this was only like 10 or 12 bucks for the giant one. So it's really worth it, and I really like them. They're super good. Now, I don't know, some people might track them. I think they're like 2 points, but I don't track them. But I do eat them every day. So there is 15 calories for 2 gummies. There's 2 grams of sugar, so I don't know. I just don't count them. It's a vitamin, so it's fine. That's how I see it. But if you want to track it, definitely can. I'm gonna make some coffee, y'all. I'm making my coffee, and I wanted to share this with you guys. So we clean our stove like all the time. But if anything overflows or anything, it burns, and I scrub this every night, but it's hard to like get it off without this glass top. It's so amazing. I love it. I found it a while ago. We've been using it for literally since I moved in here with Jay, so years. So it's super good. And yeah, I just put it in the spots that like need it, where I've just scrubbed and nothing came off. So, and then I let it sit for a little bit, and then I take like a napkin or my scrub brush and I scrub it. So you guys seen it before. I'll show you when it's done. I'm just drinking my coffee, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. You can still see that it's still really bad. Cleaning my garbage lid because we all know it can just get disgusting. Well, there was a bunch of stuff on it, you guys, and all I did was sprayed this on the counter and on here, and in less than just a couple minutes, I didn't even have to scrub this at all. And there was like spaghetti or whatever on it, and it's like completely off. So this stuff works really good. Yup. I've been reorganizing all day, so I put this shelf over here. I don't know, I think I'm gonna get rid of that thing, so it'll just be like that. Over here, don't just ignore everything. We bought some covers for our couch so that the dog doesn't wreck it. So rewatching the footage, the sheets that we have on the couch look crazy, so don't mind that. But we did end up getting new covers actually from Amazon. And thankfully we have them on because Indy actually had an accident on the couch. So couch covers are very nice to have. And then here I put new flowers in these. I just cut them off with like a plant that I had, like a fake one. These were in it and I felt like it just didn't match the wreath. And the wreath is actually supposed to go on something else, but I don't know, I kind of liked it. And then I don't have anything on this wall right now. I'm having severe OCD or something. So like I really like this. But when I bought this, I should have bought two. And now they don't have them anymore. So I could have had it been like, whatever. I don't know. I like this, but I think, I don't know. I kind of want a rug. I want a new ottoman. Because that's just too big. And then I thought about putting this lamp over here. This is our makeshift table until we order one for here. But yeah, so I'm working with what I got. Because I have this. I had this up there with some flowers, but it looked goofy. So, I don't know. It's hard. I have this beautiful home sign, but it's literally ginormous. So, and then behind it I have this blessed one. Hey you guys! So Jay and I just got back from Walmart. I went to Target to get a gift card initially, but then they didn't have what we wanted, so we went to Walmart. And I haven't ate yet today, so I picked up a few things for my lunch. So I figured I could share what I eat in a day, and I actually am going to make a recipe tonight that I've never made. I kind of thought of it on my own, so hopefully no one's made it before. French onion chicken of a sort. So I just picked up some Sara Lee hot dog buns. I wanted the light Italian ones, but of course they didn't have them, which is fine. For dinner tonight, we got rice and chicken for the meal I'm going to share with you guys. Then I got a Monster. This is my favorite. It's a lot. It's actually, for 2 tablespoons, it's 6 points, so it's kind of high in points, but for 1 tablespoon, it's only 3 points. And it's actually a decent amount. So this is the chicken dipping sauce. Highly recommend. My best friend likes their secret sauce. I think that's what it's called. It's kind of like Big Mac sauce. I haven't tried it, but we usually like the same thing. So, and then I got some turkey hot dogs for lunch here. And then to put on top, I got some hot chili. So I'm gonna have a chili dog for lunch. Yeah. So I know this is probably a little redundant for you guys, but I literally measure out everything. So See what I mean? That's a lot of sauce actually, I think. And I already measured out my chili. So I'm just gonna put a little of this on, or all of it, I mean. It's so good too. I love chili dogs. They're just so bomb. You could pair this with like a vegetable and it would be only 6 points. But yeah, so I'll throw the screen up on the screen of the points and everything. My fries got a little bit more done than I like. But yeah, so good, you guys. Let me know what you think of my chili dog. Okay, you guys, so I measured out 8 ounces of these potatoes. They're just the little red potatoes. I'm going to use up the rest of our onion that we have. So this is the yellow and a white. I'm just going to use it all. So like half of an onion. Fat-free cream cheese. You could use reduced fat cream cheese, whatever you prefer. And then 1 packet of this onion mix. Got some chicken breast. Okay, you guys, so I just put, or I'm gonna make some rice to go with dinner. So this is the rice that we already had. So I put 1.5 servings in here, or 1.5 cups, which I did 1.5 cups of water, because it's always gonna be water to, what's that? Water to rice ratio. So if you did 2 cups, you do 2 cups of water. And then I just measured it out with this. This is not a liquid measuring cup, it's just like food. I don't know, they're different. So anyways, what I'm gonna do is wash and rinse my rice really good, because if you've watched videos or like you know anything about rice, you always want to wash your rice. I still need to get new rugs. We got a new rug over there, we're testing some out. So but anyways, so here's dinner, you guys. I'm really excited. Jason said that the chicken's done, so we have it on warm. It only took 4 hours. Cooking with cream cheese, you can see that the chicken, or like the cream cheese, kind of sticks to the side, which is totally fine. But yeah, this is done. It's steaming hot, but we're gonna actually leave the chicken whole. And then here's a few potatoes. So you could shred this, but I want the gravy, so let me try the gravy for you guys. Let's just try the gravy. So just dip it in it. Oh my god, that's so good. I'm gonna try an onion. Here's an onion. Oh! Why did I do that? It's so good. Wow. Okay, I just proceed to burn the living F out of my tongue. It's really not that bad. It does hurt, but I still want to eat it. So I'm gonna give this a solid 10 out of 10. I will link the whole recipe down below. I did not follow the recipe by anybody. I made this up on my own, so I'm really proud of it. But this is really good. You could skip the potatoes and it'd be even less points. Okay, you guys, so this is how I make my rice. So I showed you how I did the water to rice ratio. And then after the water starts to boil, which I should have filmed, but then I add the rice that I washed and I stir it while it's, or I take it off the heat and then I stir it, and then I put the lid on and I put the timer on for 5 minutes, and I didn't open the lid or touch it at all. And then when you open it after 5 minutes, it'll be like nice and flat like this, and then you fluff it up and it's perfect. There's dinner. I'm gonna go eat and I'll give you guys my final thoughts and what I think of it. I did leave the chicken whole. So okay, so the verdict's in. It was good, but Jason and I think you'd be better with like mashed potatoes or like some sort of like flavored white rice. I don't know, this just was not hitting the spot. I think my jasmine rice is way better. But I did end up, this is everything I ate. so I left about half of a cup of rice or so, I'd say. Jason finished his. So it was good, but definitely we think it would taste good with mashed potatoes, right? Yeah, but yeah, anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my dessert because I'm still kind of hungry. So
gross. Don't be gross.
I love his protein, it's so good. But it blends so well. Like there's no chunks. And with a little bit of cereal. I watch Stephanie Buttermore, and she always makes protein oatmeal, and I was just craving it, and she put cereal on hers, so I wanted to try it. It's actually really good. Highly recommend this. It's so good. I wish I had strawberries or blueberries to put on it, because blueberries in it's really good. Hello you guys. I want to close out this video and say thank you so much for watching. It is the next day, the next morning. I'm making some coffee. I'm gonna go over to my friend Danielle's and get some lunch. I'm probably gonna get a Chipotle salad bowl, and we thought about actually getting those meal replacement drinks. She has a shake place by her place, and we've been dying to try it, so we're gonna do that. Thank you so much for watching yesterday. I hope that you give my French onion chicken a try from the Crockpot, and let me know how you guys like it. Let me know down below if you're gonna try it or not. And on that note, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.
I'll stay.